Welcome back then to ERP Duo. This is SAP Business One version 9.3. We'll look into financial management, and if you have a request for support, implementations, etc., please don't hesitate to contact with us at postboxerpduo.com. Financial scenario updates. Now, this is a couple of I think the last version was built between 2019 and released in 2020, and it is more or less among the last versions before taking the leap over to SaaS and cloud based ERP systems for version 10, which is more like by design and other web clients or web-based solutions. So this is this is the last version before that. Minus balance. Better support for large enterprise customers and decreased maintenance cost. Accurate period closing. Account group. One for turnover, 32 for cost of sales, 94 operating costs, 227 non-operating income and expenses, 251 for taxation and extraordinary items, 266 for account group or account name, accounts, yeah, different accounts, period and closing. And if you're working with other accounting software and systems, you'll know most of these posts and about period opening and closing. Use primary closing account, retained earnings account, period and closing account. General ledger features. Now, what do you want to do? Account balance load from to. Cost accounting adjustment only. Allow multiple linking to financial templates. Permit to other VAT group. Relevant to budget. Exchange rate differences. That is interesting. Rate conversion. This is very, very interesting for our business matters. So categories can help in consolidating large enterprises. Better control over account balances. Account balance load in general. Calculate gross profit. Calculate percent gross profit as profit base price. Base document number. Bill of material. Price for component items. Validate account balance without warning. So it's more or less also like business intelligence or things, reports you can draw up, but This part is, I think, quite interesting. Yeah. More settings per document block and balanced. Use automatic VAT. Fair enough. Utilities. Actually, bill categorization. Relevant for auditing. Cost accounting ledger. Alright. Separate by cost accounting adjustment only. New transaction. Cost center transfer. Cost accounting adjustment only. Um, better management of cost to cost centers. Cost accounting ledger. Cost center transfer. For those of you working with accounting and cost center wise, cost or budget allocations or reallocations. Allocate costs to correct cost centers directly from the distribution report. Quick increase productivity. Yeah, I can see that. What do you think? Yeah. Default GL account. I think that will be generic, but set of default series count to automatically populate cost accounting adjustment transactions so that you don't need to worry about remembering all these unique identification numbers or series of them. And that is good with SAP that they follow a consequently sequence for you. Journal vouchers aligned with journal entry functionality without warning, project codes, and add cost accounting adjustment entry to new voucher. Cost accounting G determination matrix. I'm taking a bit time with you because it's not that much that all consultants or clients use on the finance and accounting segment, but it's very, very relevant for the business operations and payments and all that. So that is why I thought that we should spend some time on the finance module. So up to 5 user-defined fields can be managed in the determination criteria stream. You can also tick off for apply ship to country or ship to state on purchasing. Integrate with the payment engine wizard. I like wizards, especially when it is easing things for you. What is there? Payment orders were added, payments were added, checks. Okay, summary, document report printing, outgoing payment, incoming payment. What we should um, understand here is that but you have bank files. This part is banking and accounts based. Payment engine where you can find things. Alright. So what it does is the electronic file manager creates bank files or statements by importing with past execution. Payment is marked 2G. Yeah, we'll just have to see the next page. Yeah. Task dispatch in job server. I'll show you where that is. Use execute payment run on server. I can pick and choose. And this is for heavy transactions with parallel processing, important for many businesses. Allows users to close the payment visit form, even the business one client as the task is running on the server side. Reduce the load on the client side. Faster processing time for larger transactions. See some results. EFM file loaded, analyzing file structure, loading crystal form reports, executing, exporting XML, EFM files, flexible generation of output files. Yeah. One-click user experience with generation of electronic reports. Raw data. Crystal reports if you're using that. Currency, compliance, interoperability, bank transfer, credit check, cash, content, logistic, accounting attachment. Total goes from there to faster invoice and payment input, pass access to payment screen. Okay. For those wondering what BP is, that is business partner. GL accounting, petty cash. Enable down payment invoice or request. Create a down payment invoice or down payment request from a sale, stop, or purchase order. Follow up a down payment transaction added together with the above. Efficient entry of related transactions. Financial management. IFRS. Compliance blanket agreement enhancement. Following features also help fulfill new IFRS 15 standards. For all locations, manage changelog per block, negative inventory. Support viewing history of changes made to setting block negative inventory. Business assessment report, crystal reports. The new financial report templates to create the BA report. Easily adjust the report structure according to the needs. Thanks for following. Stopping there.